In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Blender Basic using Krita. Open the Brush Presets docker by pressing F6. In the search bar, type Blender Basic, then select the brush from the results. Before painting, make sure the Blender Basic brush is selected. Apply the brush over the areas where you want to blend colors and soften transitions. Use smooth strokes across your artwork to mix nearby colors and create a more even appearance. Continue blending different areas until you achieve the desired result. Adjust your brush strokes as needed to control the amount of blending. The Blender Basic brush is good to use when creating smooth color transitions, mixing painted areas, and refining the overall appearance of your digital artwork. The advantage of using this brush is that it provides simple and controlled blending, making it easier to combine colors and create smoother results while maintaining the details of your painting. It also helps improve the flow between different painted sections and gives you better control when refining your artwork. And that's how to use Blender Basic using Krita. Thank you for watching the video.